Going live. Hello and welcome to another live stream. I haven't done this in a long time. And today I want to I want to tell you about a new project of mine. I think that I've wanted to do for like a long time already, and it's starting to become a thing. But first, I want to check if the streaming actually works, as we will need this during Breakpoint, because I got a few requests that I should be streaming from there as well, or at least make videos. And so this is also a test on whether or not that streaming works. But I guess I will see that after the fact. Or if there's anybody here in the comments, let me know. Right, I do want to tell you about the game of death. Personally, I enjoy the name. Hold on, let me get a different background because I'm a bit too dark here in comparison. So, I kind of never did an NFT project for myself because I was always like, yeah, what do I do? I mean, just grabbing money off of people. I don't want to do that. So I never really did a NFT project. And it's not supposed to be an NFT project. It's supposed to be teaching Solana development. But I include NFTs. So the idea is it's gonna be a mint of a collection of like a few items. You know, I don't know how many people want to join, but maybe 50 to 100, that order of magnitude. And they will get to do a mint. I'm thinking whether probably not a free mint, but a very cheap mint, because I do want to have some funds in the pot for prize money, because this whole thing is going to be a challenge, a developer's challenge, and anybody can join by just minting one. I'm not going to make it more expensive than $3 or so. And then you're ready to play. You get to mint one of those hackers. And by the way, the art is auto-generated by... Damn it, I forgot their name. Hold on, let me quickly look up... because one of the guys in my Discord actually came up to me and was like, hey, I can get you some art going for some stuff. And hold on, they are called... Where's that name? God damn it. Elevate Studios. So this art is by Elevate Studios, and they sent me 89 of those hackers. And it's like, it's not about the art, right? It's not about the NFT. It's not about any of that. It's about the development. It's about the learning the basics of Solana. And this is just going to be a first attempt of the game of death. I want to do a bigger one afterwards, but this is just preparation, seeing how well it goes, because I do want to pitch it to Solana Foundation and potentially do it in combination with them. So like a more official version. This first one is just by me in my free time. So I do this just as a hobby, as my entire YouTube channel started. But then I started doing those... Where are they? Here. those videos about the Solana development course. And that stuff I actually got a grant for. So yeah, it started with like me doing stuff in my free time, and then it has evolved to Solana Foundation giving me a grant. Anyway, I hope that it's gonna be similar with this project, where I first try it out myself, see how well it goes, and then go bigger and better and get actually some money for it, hopefully. Because also, fun fact, I quit my job. I quit my full-time job at my university where I was working, and I still work there for 3 more months. But then I'm gonna be free to do more projects. Speaking of timelines, timeline for the Game of Death, this round 1, we're starting minting now, essentially, and we will start the actual game in December. And the game will last probably 2 months or so, so till the end of January, maybe even into February. And the way that this is gonna work is there will be weekly challenges, or bi-weekly. We'll still need to discuss that. I'll make a poll in the Discord, because probably the simple challenges will be 1 week, and the tougher challenges I'll give you 2 weeks. So there will be challenges that I set, and it will start super simple, like transfer your NFT to a different wallet, or create a token, or, you know, something like that. And then it gets harder and harder with every week, until in the end we'll actually do some smart contract development. Somewhere in the middle you'll get to interact with smart contracts that I write. Maybe you need to hack them because you're a hacker. And yeah, so I have some fun ideas. Yeah, so basically it's a challenge, and if you succeed with your challenge, your hacker stays alive. However, if for some reason you do not manage to succeed, your poor little hacker will die, and then it will be dead. Yes. So that's the whole idea of this game, right? So you mint an NFT basically for free, and then you have to do those challenges to learn, and if you don't manage, then you're out of the game. And the winner, so last one standing or last couple of people standing, they split the pot or get the entire pot if it's just one. So that's the idea, right? And you know, I have to flesh this out with all the details. It's just this is how far I got so far. I have the art, I have the candy machine running, and the rest I still need to set up. Let me just quickly check YouTube if there are any comments here. No, nobody here. From the few people watching, can you give me feedback how the audio and video quality is? Am I lagging or anything? Yeah, so I just wanted to set up a front end for this candy machine, but then I struggled setting up a front end for Candy Machine v3 because the standard Candy Machine UI doesn't support that yet. And then I was already, you know, programming the thing, and I was like, no, actually, wait, this is the Game of Death. It should actually already be the first challenge for them. Cool, I got a thumbs up. Nice. Audio and video is good. Thank you very much for letting me know. So that's just gonna be the first challenge for you. If you want to mint, you'll have to find out how to mint. I'll just give you the Candy Machine ID, and it shouldn't be too hard to figure out, really. Also, I have a video in the pipeline about Candy Machine v3. It's already recorded. It's currently sitting with my editor, who cuts it down, and then I do the final cut, and then you'll get that in the next few days, hopefully. Um, yes. So Candy Machine. Let's see. I can give you the ID because I was already playing around with this. Here. That's the Candy Machine ID. Do you see that? That's essentially all you need to mint, because I now set it up. Hold on, I'll give you the other one. I now set it up in a way where it's just some Sol payment and it's already live. So mint price is this to get you a total of 0.1337. Is my head in the way? I don't really see my, yeah, I'm in the way there. Yeah. So you have to pay 0.1337 because I found that funny. And then you can mint yourself a hacker. That's the idea. Any questions from the audience so far? Did you get an idea of what I want to do? And do you want to participate? Because I wanted to start this now, like Hi man, I said you were in Krakow Hacker House. Will you be on Breakpoint? Yes, that's... You're interrupting and I was just about to say this. I wanted to get this done now because at Breakpoint, I want to already be able to let people know about it and tell them, hey, get yourself a hacker NFT from my collection, such that you can play the game of death. I mean, death, sorry. Yeah, so I want to promote this a little bit at Breakpoint, because I will be at Breakpoint. I'll fly out tomorrow, but first I will fly to my best friend's wedding in Dublin, so I will miss the first 2 days of the Hacker House, but then I will be at the Hacker House for 1 day, and then I'll be at Breakpoint for most of the days. I'll again miss the last day because I need to go back to work. Already quit that, but still need to work anyway. So yeah, that's happening. I will be in Lisbon for 5 days or so. Yes. 6 days? Don't know, 6 nights, I think. So yeah, that's that. And that's the game of death that I want to get going. CMID? Yes. You shall get the Candy Machine ID. I mean, essentially, I can spoil it for you, right? Because you'll see that in the video anyway. The mint, you literally just need to do this. Hold on, let me piss off down here. You literally just call a Metaplex Candy Machines mint with a Candy Machine ID that you get from find by address, put in that address, and then you can just mint one. Oh yeah, you might need to know that as well. And that's my public key. But hey, that's also maybe for you to find out. I mean, the public key is here, but maybe you need to find that out by looking at the previous mints and see what was put in there. Or you just read this. I don't click on it because I'm afraid that it will open it up and then show you my private key. So we don't want that to happen. Anyway, that's the Candy Machine ID and you shall get it. I will put it into the video description. I'll post it in the chat right now, and if I find the video description, here. And it's a Candy Machine V3. Save that. There you go. So you can go mint yourself some. Let me know if you manage. Yeah, I was planning on building a front end for it, such that everybody can mint. But then on the other hand, no, first challenge right there for you. Go try and mint it yourself, because you wanna learn how to do that stuff. And I mean, granted, it's not the simplest challenge. This is already quite a hard challenge, and I want to start super simple with like move your freaking hacker to a wallet that starts with S or something. Because I want to teach you how to use Solana Keychain Grind, and then I want to teach you how to create token accounts, and then I want to teach you, the basics first, and then I'll give you smart contracts to hack or Solana programs to hack. So yeah, fun times ahead. I hope that I have time to properly do this project. I mean, I'm still working for the next 3 months. So actually, I wanted to start in February, because that's when I will have time. However, Breakpoint is now. I do want to kind of let people know about this now. And if I let them know about it now and then start in February, they will all have forgotten about it, and their hackers will just all die because they don't do anything in the first challenge. So yeah, that's why we just start now. We start in December. Wait, no, it's start of... Well, we'll see how many people actually mint and how much marketing I still need to do. Well, marketing, how much letting people know I still need to do before we can start. I want at least, let's say, 20 people signed up. Under 20 people, I don't want to do this because it's a lot of effort for me. And again, I do this all in my free time. Yeah, cool. Any questions about the game of death or anything at all, really? I'm just preparing for Breakpoint. I have my luggage here, the big suitcase, which is almost completely empty because I fly there with an empty suitcase and I will come back with a packed one. That's how you do hacker houses and Breakpoint, because there will be so much merch and I will be getting everything, almost everything. Yes. So that's gonna be cool. Still need to pack. And I'm excited for Breakpoint. This is gonna be so nice. Audio and video seems to be fine as well. Also with my new setup, like I have a new Windows installation, but everything seems to run smoothly here. So I can stream with those settings. Looks good. Looks like I can stream like this from Breakpoint, or at least make videos. We will see. Touching my beard, I also want to still shave to be a little more attractive for that wedding thing. And Breakpoint, of course. But yeah, if there are no more questions to the game of death or any kind of things that you want to discuss tonight, then I'm gonna head out again. I wish you good luck in minting yourself a hacker. As I said, there are a few of them. Let me just show you a bunch. Wait, I'll just make myself small again. Boom. So that is the art. And again, it's not really about the art. It's, oh, I like this one. The characters on the screen are great. And yeah. Is he smoking? Yeah. Pretty cool stuff. So yeah, I forgot what I wanted to say. I'll be at Breakpoint. If you're at Breakpoint, let me know. Let's meet up. Say hi. I'm not gonna pre-mint any and send them around. I'll keep that as a challenge for you. And yeah, that's everything I wanted to say, I think. Hello. If you're just jumping in, I recommend that you jump a big back and watch the introduction of the game of death if you're at all interested in participating in that game. I think it could be fun. I hope that a few people want to join. And if not, then not. Well, then I'd continue with my regular scheduled YouTube videos, which I have a bunch coming out now because I'm trying to do every week because I can now afford an editor and that works pretty well. You can expect a few more. Also from the Solana development course, we are currently here. I just talked about Candy Machine v3, so I would say this is done. So the next thing that we'll do is the Solana programming, so actual basics of Solana programs. It will be super basic in the beginning, but we'll get to the interesting stuff later. So that's still coming up, those videos. And yeah, make sure that you're subscribed to my YouTube channel such that you don't miss these things. Also, there will be a Discord. I think I'm gonna do a separate Discord for the Game of Death just to not overlap too much with mine. Yes. But for now, you can just join my Discord, and I'll announce everything there as well. Anything else that I need to say or want to say? I don't think so. I hope that you don't die, and me neither. And I'll see you at Breakpoint or in the Discord server. And yeah, try and make yourself a hacker. I'll see you around. Have a good evening. Bye bye.